Second Northeast India Film Festival 2025 has commenced at City Convention Imphal today. The 5-day-long film festival is being jointly organized by Thauna Manipur, Film Forum Manipur and Department of Information and Public Relations DIPR under the sponsorship of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and National Film Development Corporation. A total of 28 films, including 5 official selection, will feature in this edition of Northeast India Film Festival. Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendra, Chairman of Loktak Development Authority, Moirangthem Ashnikumar, Director of DM Community College, Professor L. Hemchandra, along with other eminent persons, graced the opening day program. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Laimiyum Surjakanta, said the film festival will provide a great platform for discussion on role of director, writer, cinematographer, editors, producer in filmmaking. Also speaking about the upcoming film festival, renowned filmmaker Romy Mayday said through the festival the progress in filmmaking in Northeast region and Manipur can be understood. And it will also provide various invaluable knowledge about technicalities involved in filmmaking. He also encouraged young filmmakers to pursue the field with much enthusiasm and keen interest.
Film marfu putomi 70 putoi 60 putoi aduga numbers of production di yamba quality production yaruktaba sikarigino akoi masengi film katang yang lerega miram gi film yang dragadi competition yamkana lamjin chembada khana lamjin thoidurino aba wang jilakpa aduna apaba film putongna ba masung market expand tawna bagi pandamda film forum Manipur amadi thauna kaksing ani khosam naraga Northeast India Film Festival si mamangi sahi 2024 degi season 1 tawre edition ani subani andak tawri basi sida award Nepal yawi case award yawi chawi amna competition hai basama lagta gadi hola daba yadaba hai bamma lagnina film production je sungso soidani chakhlani table lobak jawrani storytelling si haja pot akhigi iramdam gi wari si miram de libada udri potri miyam na taningi yengninge ba adoli padam da festival si
Northeast da putoiba cinema gi makal gi narrative se putna khoi si yengminaba phangdoi se masi amna phaba khoi gi event amani aduga film sing sigi lineup se ai yengjabani ado hojiki khoi young filmmakers ko young minds ko aduga talented storytellers mayam amagi film mayam yawi aina yengjabado ko ado masi shoidana khoi gi Manipur gi audience sing adagi cinema bu number pambiba cinema iba pamba cinema se whole composite art ni ada mawanda yawriba khoi gi thomi mayam sai tare cinema gi lam sida film industries da community da sangninga kwa naha singda khoi sugum makal gi film festival sina asoba mateng pangani haibagi ai thajaba sulei